Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. When Toyota released the all-new Sequoia in 2023, it was the first redesign for the model since 2007. And the result is a beast of an SUV. And we've given that beast some teeth with our 3.5-inch lift kit. Included in the kit are going to be our aluminum upper control arms that correct our ball joint angle for the lift. Next up, we've got our front strut spacers that are going to give us our lift without having to disassemble our factory strut. A pair of beefy steel skid plates to replace those factory plastic ones. Front sway bar relocation brackets, as well as bracketry to relocate our front differential to maintain proper CV angles. And rounding out the lift, we've got our rear coil spring spacers. We're going to make sure we lift the rear and maintain the factory spring rate. And finally, our N3 premium shock absorber, valved and measured specifically for this lift. All this comes together to lift and level the vehicle a total of 3.5 inches, allowing you to run up to a 35-inch tall tire. And that's going to completely transform the look and capabilities of this SUV, both on-road and off. So when you're ready to have your Sequoia rise above the crowd, check out our 3.5-inch lift kit, available today at roughcountry.com.